What really happens to your body when you quit sugar for 30 days? Do the cravings get worse, or do the benefits outweigh the pain? From mental clarity and fat loss to hormone balance and better sleep. Day 1 hits like a wave. Your body's used to that sugar rush, and now suddenly it's gone. Expect cravings, headaches, fatigue, mood swings, irritability, and a general feeling of off. This is completely normal, your body is recalibrating. Now the cravings get worse. You might feel foggy, bloated, or even nauseous. Digestion could be off, constipation, diarrhea, or stomach cramps. But some people, surprisingly, already start feeling more focused. Your body is learning to live without its favorite drug. This is your detox. It's uncomfortable, but temporary. Push through it, because week 1 is just the beginning. By now, energy begins to return. Those headaches? Fading. Cravings? Less frequent. Your sleep improves. Digestion stabilizes. You might even wake up feeling refreshed. You're no longer riding the sugar roller coaster. If you're finding this helpful so far, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. It helps the channel and helps you stay on track. Week 2, the magic begins. Your body starts burning fat instead of sugar. You may notice weight loss, a leaner look, or clearer skin. Even better, your taste buds change. Natural foods taste sweeter. You're literally rewiring your cravings. You're halfway, and it shows. Your mood? Lighter. Your mind? Clearer. You're waking up energized, staying focused longer, and even fending off colds better. Yes, your immune system gets a boost, too. But stay vigilant, random cravings might sneak back in. You're not just cutting sugar, you're rebuilding your body. And you're unlocking the version of yourself you didn't know was there. Now the results become obvious. Your metabolism is faster. You're more sensitive to insulin, which helps reduce fat storage and balance hormones. If you're male, testosterone levels may begin to increase. Your body composition improves. No crashes, no cravings, just clean, sustained energy. Your gut health stabilizes, bloating reduces, and your meals feel satisfying. This is what health feels like. After 30 days without sugar, you've not only transformed your body, you've taken back control of your life. Better sleep, clearer skin, sharper focus, fewer cravings. Now ask yourself, why go back? Tap the video on screen now to learn what to eat to fuel your sugar-free lifestyle. You've come this far, let's keep building the momentum. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and stay healthy.